Hey, I just bought this carbon steel wok that's about 13 inches in width and holds almost 6 quarts. This is really nice. I tried cooking some fried rice on it the other day and it worked out really well. It is non-stick. It comes pre-seasoned, so you don't have to worry about seasoning it right away. As you can tell, it's very well constructed. It comes with a really nice helper handle. And this handle is also very nice. It's like a steel polymer composite, and it comes with this ring where you can kind of hang it against a wall or some other storage location. It does also come with a little spout, just in case you are working with liquid and you need to pour that. This is great for just kind of seasoning as well. You can just put some oil, kind of heat it up a little bit, and then just pour out the oil. That's how you were seasoning it. It comes with this lid as well. It's very nice. It just fits right over it. But overall, I love this. This is very comparable to the woks that I used to have growing up working in my parents' restaurant. And yeah, I highly recommend it. Thank you.